It's not working. Microwave making a noise. So in the top of the Bosch microwave is the wave guard, and you see it's burned with holes in it. So we're going to replace that this morning. So first we're going to take a Phillips head. There's just one screw up in the top you need to loosen to take the old wave guard out. And there's some tabs. So once you get the screw out, then you'll see there's the tabs, and you can also see the old one very burnt with holes in it. So the waveguard covers the magnetron, which is up in that hole. And this is a new one I got off Amazon. I'll put it in the show notes. And it keeps food and liquid from getting up into the magnetron. So you just slide the two tabs up into the holes. And flip it up. And then you'll put the screw back in to complete the repair. And we're done.